All right, my name is Michaela Stoker, and today I'm going to talk to you about this Nike ad campaign and my kind of creative adjustments that I made in creating my new Nike ad for the company. So here we have the original Nike ad. So one of the things that I really liked about this design with the Nike ad is it has a very sharp, clear image overlapping the blown up Nike symbol. This helps add a sporty feel. The image, it feels strong, it is sharp, it's clear, it makes the picture look really clean. The other thing with the typography is that they used a very strong font. This help adds a strong, bold feel to the ad. The lettering is very bold and it's thick, and so it really makes the text stand out, and it also helps make the ad feel strong and bold. Also, the colors that this Nike ad used for their campaign is they used the white black background to really help make the image pop, and then they used a contrasting color like black to help make the image sharp and clear, and then they used red as accents in this, and it really helps make the picture bright, and it helps it make it stand out, and it kind of gives it um, that very clear feel and really makes the image pop. So here is my new ad that I created. Um, so as we can see here, that it uses the same structure with the Nike symbol and same strong sporty feel. Um, with this new ad, it's consistent. I use the same color schemes, the black, the white, and the red, to help match its strong appeal. And I use the same design layout with putting, my object in front of the Nike symbol. Um, and then I also used the same font with uh, this ad to help add that strong feel to the image and help the text really stand out. The photography, same thing. It's clear, it's consistent. So as you can see, my ad is very consistent with the Nike ad. It still has that same strong, bold feeling, and it really helps make the ad pop and stand out, and it helps it appeal to audiences. And really, with this project, what I was trying to do is I was trying to with the original Nike ad, we can see that they were trying to appeal to women, and they were campaigning towards women, and that was really their audience. And they wanted to have women feel strong and feel involved in their products. And so that's really what I did here, hence why I used a female in my Nike ad, and why I made the Nike ad consistent and bold. It just really it helps women have that strong feeling, and that feeling of accomplishment. So that's my presentation. That's my new ad. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.